Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me again and another vlog. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you what are the difference of the work permit ng FET, Foreign English Teacher, and FETA, Foreign English Teacher Assistant. So as for me, in my side, kasi before I'm very curious or medyo na-confuse ako because I don't know what is the difference of the two. Although, iisa naman siya, work permit as one, but magkaiba pa pala siya kapag ka ikaw ay isang foreign English teacher or main teacher or kung ikaw ay isang assistant teacher. So, punta muna tayo kay FET. So, when we speak about work permit ni FET, it is from MOL, Ministry of Education. Tandaan, Ministry of Education. So, meron siyang dalawang version, which is the Chinese one and the other one is English. Pero mas prefer ni TECO, kapag ipapasa nyo na siya sa TECO, ng Chinese version. And, of course, syempre, Chinese and English, pagsamahin nyo na siya para mas credible, mas madaling babasa nila. Kung Pilipino man ang babasa or Chinese. And so, pag FET po tayo, pwede po natin siyang photocopy. Yung photocopy, pwede kayong mag-request kay coordinator ninyo sa Taiwan while inaayos nila yung papel nila and tapos na yung work permit doon. You can send TECO the photocopy noong inyong work permit. Pero, ang problema nito, you will still wait for the work permit original pagka nag-POEA na po kayo. Okay, so let's cut that. So, next one, we're gonna discuss about FETA. So, pag naman po FETA is in my side, ako po ay isang FETA. So, ako ay nag-try. Alam nyo ba, nag-attempt ako pumunta sa TECO for about 3 times. And then, I'm gonna tell about that story on my next vlog. So, abangan nyo yan about my visa journey. Yan. So, sa FETA, kinakailangan po na doon ay original. And hindi siya galing sa MOL, kundi galing siya sa hindi siya galing sa MOE, kundi galing siya sa MOL, Ministry of Labor. Okay, so magkaiba. Pag FET, galing sa MOE. Pagka FETA, galing sa MOL. Okay, gets? So, yun. So, on my next vlog, i-share ko din sa inyo ano yung itsura ng work permit. Ano yung Chinese version, ano yung English version. So, nasagot ko yung mga tanong kasi madaming teachers ang nagtatanong sa akin about, I teach para namang nahihirapan ako kung paano kuhanin yung work permit ko, kung pupunta na ba akong TECO para mag-apply for visa or hindi pa kasi parang hindi nila tinatanggap ganito, ganyan. So, naging malinaw po sa atin yung mga requirements ni TECO for visa application. Before I forgot about the process, paano pinadala sa akin ni coordinator itong aking work permit kasi nga original yung kailangan ng mga FETA, ng mga assistant teacher. Although, kakailanganin din naman natin siya sa POEA, but unang-una sa lahat, sa TECO pa lang kailangan na talaga yung original copy. So, mag-iintay tayo and you know what? The recommend courier po ng ating mga teachers is DHL. So, iba't ibang sulok ng mundo, nagdadala po si courier, DHL. So, i-recommend din nyo sa inyong coordinator. So, pwede nyo sabihin, coordinator, how are you today? I hope you're fine. I would just like to recommend you about the courier that you'll be using, or you can use DHL para mas mabilis yung process and so on and so forth. So, ikaw na bahala mag-recommend kay coordinator merong time na kapag nasa Manila ka, 1 day lang from Taiwan to Manila kasi sobrang lapit lang. Pero if may Sabado at Linggo kasi yung sa akin, so pinadala nila ng Friday, dumaan yung Saturday and Sunday, nakikita ko yung progress ng aking work permit or nung pinadala sa akin ni coordinator through DHL reference number. So, kapag may reference number, mag-i-email sila sa inyo or yung contact number mo, magte-text sila sa inyo na on the way na si work permit. So, I'm gonna share with you So, ito po yung itsura ng DHL Express. So, hanapin nyo lang po sa internet, DHL, how to monitor my, package. Ayun. So, ito po, dumating siya sa akin ng Monday, September 4, 8 or 9 a.m. So, 8:40. So, meron po kasing third party si DHL. So, it's either padala niya sa iba pang nagdadala ng mga documents. So, I think, meron silang mga third party. So, yun, pwede nyo silang kontakin and tinan nyo, from Monday to Saturday, from Friday to Monday, yung naging process ng aking papel. So, wait, let me show you up close. So, yan, nag-shipment pick up siya nung Friday, and then Saturday, and then naging Sunday. Kitang-kita mo siya dito sa ating monitoring track. And if you have any more questions about the work permit, I'm here to guide you and to give you some tips and tricks on how you can process your visa applications. Okay. So guys, if you are looking for an agent or very affordable one, you can contact Mr. Max Gade Burling. He is very fast with the transactions and also he's very trustworthy. So rest assured that your documents are pretty safe and secured. By his help, you can renew or authenticate your documents in TECO and process visas. So that will be all for this video, and see you again on my next video.